Yo, what's up YouTube? It is Ceejaybrand and we back again, you guys, with a brand new video for you guys today. Today we're gonna be taking a look at this Peter McKinnon book bag. This is a book bag that I've been trying to get, but I just couldn't really get jiggy with the price. But I was like, you know what, hey, 2023, man, we constantly making upgrades. It's time to get the book bag. So we got it, you guys. Let's go ahead and get straight into this unboxing straight after this. All right, you guys, so we are back in. Like I said, we got the Peter McKinnon book bag. Now this, I got the cheap one, I ain't gonna lie to you. I got the one for $2.99. I really didn't think that I was gonna need a 35-liter book bag, but maybe once I open it up, I'll realize like, you may have needed one. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Oh, I don't know. Safe to say I have no way to do straight lines. All right, let's see. Close this knife. I be forgetting how to close my knife sometimes. All right. Whew. First of all, the box is great. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's an all black box and it comes with the nomadic. I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but yeah, this is how the box is looking, and got the logo right there too. Real dope. And the book bag. Oh my god. Let me make sure nothing in the box. Cool. Here goes the book bag, guys. In a nice, safe bag. Let's go ahead and take this out the zip wrap. Damn, I think so. Okay. That always works awesome. So yeah, man, this isn't a bad book bag. You know, it's not that big, and it's like the average size book bag as well. So I mean, me personally, I'm kind of digging it. And this right here, this is an unboxing video. I mean, we ain't got to go into details about it. I'll show you. Let me actually open it up right quick to see what's all on the inside. Cause I think I just got the, yeah, like I said, I got the basic one. So this has come with a ladder, and I was kind of confused on what the heck they meant by a ladder. But it'll be very helpful if I knew how to open the bag up. Okay. Here we go. So we got one section right here where we could put in some goodies. I think I may order one of his accessories and put my put something right here. I forget what can go right here, but we're gonna do like a little bag, and some junk can go up in there for sure. And then let's figure out how the heck to open up the rest of the book bag. I'm clueless. Okay. Okay, cool. So everything else opens up in the back, it looks like. This is where the camera goes in here. And then I'm assuming that this is like the ladder. Yeah, that's the ladder. Yeah. Okay, cool. So that's pretty cool. Okay. I was quite curious to figure out what the hell they meant by a ladder, but yeah, that's pretty dope, man. We got tons and tons of space in here, and like I said, this is one of the book bags where I was just like, bro, you cost $2.99 and the bigger one is $3.99, but you can also you know, purchase accessories. So this book bag can really get you up to about $600, I think, so at the maximum. Me personally, I ain't gonna lie, I like it. The build quality is great. It's waterproof. Like I said, this is the 25-liter version. Customizable. It got nice textures to it. It's real dope. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just looking to see what else I got on here, but no, that's it. I can put my camera in here, obviously, and then all my components. I need my laptop can go in here, iPad, stuff like that. That's pretty much what this book bag is going to be used for. So you guys should stay tuned, because we will be doing a everyday carry video very shortly. But until next time, you guys, the brand is out. Peace.